things were falling. Hey, it's Candy! Welcome back to my channel! So, it's time for my FabFitFun box. This is the Spring 2018 box. So, let's get it going! I mean, okay. This box is so cumbersome sometimes. I've had it one other time. What are you talking about, Candy? Like, don't be weird. Okay, I'll try not to be weird, but like, it's kind of in my nature to be weird. Oh, that looks fun. Ooh, yes. Alright. I guatzed it all out. Is it all in here? I don't remember how this works. There's a magazine. Okay, each thing is talked about on a different page or something, so, I mean, let's just get into it. Let's start with this weird thing. This is a Physique 57 massage roller. Serious results, serious relief. Use this massage roller after an intense Physique 57 workout to give your muscles some sweet relief. So you kind of roll it on your muscles if your muscles are sore to kind of loosen them up a little bit and to massage them. I have never had the need for anything like this because I don't work out. No. Even when I was working out hardcore, I never had anything like this, but maybe it would help. I get a lot of soreness in my upper thighs and in my arms. So especially my triceps, when I work my triceps really hard. So I'm kind of excited to give this some use. It's, I don't know, it's weird looking, I know, but... Okay, this is number 15, fresh linen, mandarin orange, kaffir lime, clover, white tea, lavender, sandalwood, patchouli, tonka bean. I'm assuming this is a candle. Yes. Oh, it's pretty and normal. There's not a strong smell to it. I will probably put this in the giveaway because it's a really nice candle and really pretty, you know. If you are not a frequenter here, I keep a box of things that I don't necessarily need, if I already have, don't have a use for, and I keep them for giveaways. We're getting semi-close to 25,000 subscribers, which is crazy. So, you know, that's the next big giveaway we're going to have on the channel. Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. Let's take a look. I have so much lotion. Skin Perfecting Lotion. Lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. Ooh, okay, just pop out right there. I have some eye cream on the back of my hand, so I'm going to put it on my wrist area. Has a slight peach smell to it. I kind of like that smell. Like, I don't normally like peach, but it's like it's a nice peach smell. Why did I smell the box? What is wrong with me? Massage evenly over face, neck, and chest. Follow with a sunscreen. Yeah, I could deal with that smell on my face. Giveaway box, though. And another lotion. Guava Body Butter by Chorus. It is sealed. Okay, so I'm just gonna drop a dot on there. It's more florally than I expected it to be. It is really smooth though. I expected it to be more fruity, and there's more floral to it. It's alright, but again, I have a lot of lotion. My favorite lotion is Hemp's. I love it. You can see how much of it I've used. This is my second bottle of this. My nail salon carries it. I love it. Alright. So this is from Free People, Understated Leather, with love from Texas. And it's an eye mask, and it's really heavy. Do you want your eye mask to be heavy? Oh, wait, whoa. Okay, I gotta, hold on. I think you might put this in the freezer? Cooling pack instructions. There we go. Before use, place cooling pack in the freezer for no longer than 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, that's why it's so heavy, is because there's a cooling pack inside. I don't know if I would necessarily get use out of this. I have an eye mask that I got in a it was a Hello Kitty one, and I love it. So this will probably go in the giveaway as well. I thought they gave me like something that had the value of all this stuff. Like, I'm super confused. And like kind of explain why they put it in there. Okay, here's the Murad lotion. The instructions for the massage roller, which is fine. The other cream. But it doesn't give like the prices or anything like I thought it did. So that's fine. Here is something that I have used and I love, that I'm really thinking about buying the actual product. This is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish with crushed macadamia nut and rice milk. This works so well. I exfoliated my elbows, my knees, and I have a spot on my leg where a tattoo is that I like to exfoliate to keep the tattoo looking good. This is really, really good. But the amount that you use in one shower is this amount. Which, does it say? This is 1 ounce. Doesn't say how much they sell in their regular or how much they are, so I'll have to look into that, but it works so good. Alright, the next thing is Dermalect Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler, Keratin Peptide Infused. Here's a little something extra. Oh, there's a 20% off Dermalect at Ulta. Infused concealer and treatment. I still don't know what you do there, big boy. Dermalect Makeover Ridge Filler combines 2 extraordinary anti-aging ingredients in one innovative treatment. Transform damaged nails into a makeover sensation to achieve beautiful, natural-looking nails. Brilliantly conceal nail imperfections, successfully fill in ridges. Oh, it's for nails. Well, I mean, okay, looks like cloudy clear nail polish. I get my nails done, so again, not something that I would use, but it may be good for someone. I don't want you guys to think that when I throw something into the giveaway pile that it's because it's a crap product. It's not. It's just something that I may not use or I have enough of. I may have already said that today. I feel like I have. Okay, this is from Maya Brenner. Oh, it's really pretty. It's, looks like a bracelet because it's pretty small. And it says love. That's beautiful. I like that a lot. And it comes in this cute little bag. This is Maya Brenner Los Angeles on it. That's beautiful. I love that. Alright. This is from Ish. It's a lip statement palette. I've never used a lip palette before. I just stick with lipsticks, and wow, they packaged this wonderfully. It's in a box, in one of these. It's covered in plastic, and it doesn't want to open. Okay, it comes with a brush as well. It's got a nice array of, sorry guys, it's got a nice array of colors in it. That's going to be an excellent gift for one of you guys. I am a lipstickaholic, but I am really into matte liquid lipsticks. And so this will be an excellent, excellent gift for one of you. It's a really good... Ish is a brand that I haven't used, but I've heard is a really good brand. So, that's awesome. Alright, this last thing is by Rachel Pally. This might be a purse or a clutch. Oh yeah, this is cute. So it's a bag. It has, you see that it has a pocket inside, made out of the fabric on the outside, and then you can fold it over and it's a clutch. That's really nice. I'm gonna have to go online and check like how much this stuff is supposed to be, because they usually tell you, because you pay $50 for this subscription, and it's usually like $200 worth of items. So that was fun. I think the only thing I'm keeping is this weird roller thing. The rest of it's going in the giveaway. Oh, and this for sure is for me. Look, I have balls on my chin. No, stop. Anyway, that was the FabFitFun Spring Box for 2018. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys soon. Bye!